Hello. Hi. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, Stephen. Welcome back to my class. How are you doing today?
Uh, Today is the bad day because I stay at home
Ah, okay.
nearly the 3 weeks.
Mm-hmm. All right. So it's good to have you back in my class. All right. I can see here you chose News Advanced 29. Is that right?
No, I changed to the free conversation
Oh, okay.
just now.
So you have changed it to free conversation.
Yes,
Okay.
big, big because I
Mm-hmm.
not sure which topic is
Mm-hmm.
I want to discuss, so
Okay.
I chose this topic.
All right. So yes, you want to practice conversational English, right? That's
Yeah.
great. Yeah. So yeah, how's it going now? Are you just at home right now, working from home?
Yes,
Mm,
yes, working from home, but for my job need you use some machine of the related the
mm-hmm.
me measurement data.
Oh.
So so at my home not have some device.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so let me at home have to do work
Okay.
some difficulty.
So you're experiencing some difficulties working at home.
Yes.
I see, I see. But do you also go to the office once in a while, in a week?
Uh, Sorry, can you say the what office what?
I mean, you said you're working from home, right? But
Yes.
yeah, is there sometimes like a day that you can work in the office, like one day, for example, or
Uh,
every day
yeah.
at home? Mm, you go to the
Yes.
office.
Actually,
Mm-hmm.
my company have enforced the rule. The company's colleague
Mm.
uh, di- divided the two
Ah,
part.
yes, divide
Yes,
into two parts.
one part
Mm-hmm.
the going to the office, and the other part
The other
the
part.
go to the office on next weekend.
I see.
Yes, but, but for my case, is some special. Be- uh,
Mm-hmm.
be- be- because I I go to the company
Oh,
need to take by train, and transfer by MRT.
mm.
So I need to spending more time on traffic.
I see,
Yes,
I see.
have have some some dangerous
Mm-mm.
sick. Yeah, yes. So my company request me always stay at home.
All right, all right. Okay. Yes. So you said a while ago that you are experiencing some difficulties working from home. Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, so how do you like cope up with that situation? Can you ask assistance from your coworkers in the office, like calling them in some problems?
Uh, not. not.
No, you
Uh,
cannot. Oh, okay.
yes, because just I say I can't work at my home, so I often to enjoy the meeting and prepare some paperwork to to discuss
Mm.
with my colleague. So not have a big problem.
Oh, okay. All right, that's fine. So it's like, how do you conduct meetings? Like, is it every day you have a meeting with your company?
Yes, meeting with company one time per week.
Ah, once a week. Okay, one time per week. Yes, that's good. At least you can communicate with them regarding the job, right? I see.
Mm,
That's nice. How long have you been working from home?
three week.
Oh, 3 weeks already?
Yes, from mid middle May
Ah, mid of
uh, uh,
May.
until now.
I see. Yeah, because it's like just recently, right? That Taiwan is now. Is it? Can we say is it lockdown? Is it lockdown or not really? Or state of emergency? Are you under state of emergency?
Not not the not talk to lockdown.
Mm,
Because nearly the emergency because have let some people
mm.
to get uh, get outdoor to buy some necessary goods.
Oh, so it's everybody or just few people are allowed to?
Just the fewer people
Few people.
allowed. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
How about the establishment? Are there some establishments that are closed, like for example, restaurants?
Yes. Yes. In this world, uh, ev- uh, every restaurant
Mm-hmm.
or or public environment
Mm-hmm.
uh, just can provide the takeout service, not not in the store. It
So you mean it's still open, but the working hours is just limited, something like that?
Yes, the convenience, like the convenience and store and
Convenience store. Mm-hmm.
yes, and the some restaurant
Mm.
can open, but the people not allowed in store to eat or to
Mm.
do something. Need the take out the service.
Okay, so they need to take out the service. So take out and also delivery, right? Delivery services. So most of the restaurants would would deliver the food. Do you have a lot of delivery services right now for food, for
Yes,
example?
yes,
Yeah, that's good, right? That's good, yes. So they can just call or text for their orders, right? And then it will just be delivered to them at their home. It's more convenient, right?
yes,
Mm-hmm.
but uh, but for this case have caused some problem.
Mm-hmm.
Because uh, every day have a heavy goods or
Mm-hmm.
heavy loading to need send to the people of home.
Mm-hmm. I
But
see.
but but the transformers company
Mm-hmm.
not the enough
Not
the
enough. I see.
the track the track our resource can can send the some good to people.
I see.
Yes,
I see.
this is the
Mm-hmm.
little problem.
Okay, okay. By the way, how about the vaccine?
Vaccine.
Corona vaccine, are you already vaccinating some, let's say the elderly or the medical staff, something like that?
Yes, actually, uh, in February and March,
Mm,
my company have import
okay.
import some vaccine
Vaccines, I see.
to 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 us
For,
nation,
oh wow, yes.
but 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 at, this time many people
Mm-hmm.
stay in Taiwan. Maybe fewer case
Fewer
and
cases.
yes, just a fewer case and
Yes.
and and they afraid
Mm-hmm.
inject vaccine
Uh,
maybe cause some side effect.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, yes. So a fewer people to get vaccine.
Yeah, I see.
Yes, but just 3 years 3 weeks ago, my country the coronavirus infection case
Mm-hmm.
suddenly increasing.
Oh, suddenly
Yes,
increasing.
many people abruptly think think want to get a vaccine, but
Mm.
the vaccine is the shortage.
Oh, so there is shortage of the vaccine.
Yeah.
I see, I see. So, and also it's who are the priority for the vaccine? Is it the
Uh,
older people? Are they the priority?
no, like the other European
Mm-hmm.
country,
Okay.
uh, the front layer
The
of
frontliners. Oh, okay.
employees need the vaccine, and
I
on
see.
and the old people need vaccine.
So same with them, right?
Yes,
The frontliners and the elderly. I see.
yes,
Okay. And the children may not be vaccinated, right?
sorry, can you say again?
How about the children? The children, the kids.
The kids, always not yet get
Okay.
vaccinated because from elementary school to the university of of student uh, need follow the stay at home rules.
I
Yeah,
see.
so there are not the necessary
Not
to
necessary for them.
to get vaccine.
Okay, so it's not necessary for the children to get the vaccine. Um,
Yes,
are all schools closed now in your country?
yes, the
So,
school
oh,
also always goes.
so everything is online, online classes.
Yes,
Oh, I see, I see. Okay, okay. So, yeah, just like here in the Philippines, for almost more than a year already that the schools are closed, actually. Yes.
Uh, you in your country the schools
Yeah,
call
for more than 1 year. Yeah.
how 1 year.
Yeah, already, yes. Since last year, the start of the lockdown, that was March, right? That was March of last year, 2020. Until now, the schools are closed.
Your country not yet ready be vaccinated.
There are already some people who get the vaccine, especially the elderly and yeah, and the medical staff, those frontliners have already been vaccinated, and now the elderly are vaccinated as well. Um, but yeah, yeah, vaccines are not enough, so still waiting for other orders to come for the rest who are requesting to get the vaccine.